Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to reset Windows 10. Whether you're facing performance issues, encountering bugs, or simply want a fresh start, resetting your Windows 10 operating system can be a great solution. In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll walk you through the process, covering everything from creating backups to choosing the right reset option for your needs. Open Settings. Choose Update and Security. And then click on Recovery from the left-hand menu, then select Reset this PC and click Get Started, then choose an option Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Ensure you have a backup of important files before resetting, as it will remove all personal files or apps and settings. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.